Hey guys, I'm happy that you are here. My name is Betchoy, and for today's video, I'll be sharing with you an update with one of our most beautiful philodendron, and this is our philodendron tiara. So para sa ating update ngayon guys, ay ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating pinakabagong dahon na nag-unfurl for our tiara. So here it is. Makikita natin guys na napakaganda ng kanyang pinakabagong dahon na binigay. So kitang-kita natin yung high variegations natin dito sa ating dahon, yung ating dark green, may mga red and pink shades, and of course yung ating color orange din. Ito talaga yung kinagandahan nating tiara guys kasi nagmu-multicolor yan, and you can also see here sa ating mga older leaves natin guys, very vibrant and very colorful talaga yung ating philodendron tiara. One thing I have noticed with our philodendron tiara guys, once na nakasettle down na siya guys, as in kapag hiyang na siya sa kanyang potting mix, ito naglagay na rin tayo ng pole, ay magbibigay na yan ng mga malalaking dahon. So tuloy-tuloy na yan guys, mga ilang dahon na ito yung kanyang na-produce na relatively ganito yung mga sizes natin, and just check on the quality of the leaves guys and the variegations. Talagang very high quality yung ating variegations. And also, one thing that I would like to share din guys is for our tiara, meron na siyang mga inflorescence. So this is another indicator na masaya siya sa kanyang current setup. And in terms of the shape of our philodendron tiara guys, we can already see here na consistent na yung kanyang shape. Heart shape na medyo pahaba nga lang siya, hindi talaga siya yung very curvy na heart shape. And then dito meron din tayong makikita na parang sort of jawline sa may gitna na portion, and dito pa din yung ating tenga. In terms of the leaf size guys, it's roughly around 15 inches na. So sa mga previous 4 leaves, more or less ganun na talaga yung kanyang size. So I'm expecting na baka sooner or later mag-repot na naman tayo dito at kailangan natin i-upsize siya on a bigger pot. So baka makakapag-expect ulit tayo na mas lalaki pa yung mga dahon ng ating tiara. So currently guys, I'm very happy and satisfied with the growth and development of our tiara, and hopefully magiging masaya din siya sa kanyang panibagong plant parent soon. So that's it, and I hope to see you again soon on our upcoming videos.